Today we do have here different card packs of One Piece to be specific, but I do have here a lost anime like the Gintama since I only do have one Japanese card pack and a different anime, and that's Gintama, and the second one would be the One Piece Japanese pack. There's gonna be two Japanese packs to open and the rest would be One Piece, and let's see what we could get on the all these packs and everything. And yes, this is gonna be a long video, and this Gintama pack is making me excited since I have bought two of these already and haven't gotten any hits. And hopefully this one I could get a hit. And first we do have a Mutsu, we have Hijikata, Sakamoto, Otose, Kagura, Gintama, and we have another Gintama with his sweets. And for our final card, we finally have gotten an SR card on the single loose packs. And for now, even though it's an SR, we are very lucky to get an SR card on this card pack. And I'm not really sure if I'm gonna buy more of this Gintama, but for now, this would be the pack that I have opened the latest. And let me leave it up first since it is a Kagura. I do really love the Gintama anime. And here we do have the One Piece 25th collection. And we are not gonna be opening it immediately. We'll be opening that one at the end of the video. And let's see if we're lucky, if we could get something inside those loose packs. And here we are gonna be opening the 5U1 Dress Rosa card packs. Like this is the last few packs that I do have. And hopefully we do get something. And as you can see, we only gotten the GR card for now. And we do have the SR cards. And for these 5U1 card packs, usually there's only one hit then out of the five cards. And the lowest rarity that you could get is the SR cards. And even with the SR cards, they're really fancy looking. They're very nice looking actually. That hopefully with the two boxes that I have opened with some loose packs, I would be able to complete at least the SR card. I haven't really checked, but I think I'm only missing one or two cards from the SR cards. For the GR cards, it is above higher rarity than the SR cards, but technically the artwork you would get from the GR will be the same with the SR cards. It's just that it's much rarer to get the GR card. And here we have like Luffy and SSR of and another pack. And for the SSR, like those are also rare than the GR cards. And I haven't have a lot of the SSR cards and even the GR cards. And yes, we have something at the back, but for now, let's put it aside and let's check the other packs. And the total card packs that we're gonna be opening mostly on this video are 9 packs. There are actually 10 packs, but I just decided that one of the packs I would just open it on a short video. And here we have the SR cards. We have like BB5, the SR and SSR. And really they are really beautiful. And how I wish I would have gotten the highest rarity, but I don't think I could get it anymore. since most of the hits that I have gotten is already I got the UR already, and the other guaranteed hits on this Dressrosa card packs. And also the packaging itself is really nice. Like if you have opened the Sanrio card packs by Vanguard, like that's how nice the card pack feels. And here we have the SR cards, and we have another baby five. And yes, you do get a lot of doubles. Even with the GR card, you would get a lot of doubles. That's why it's harder to complete the set than you think it is. Even though it's not a big set to complete, but you don't get a lot of variety. Like you always get mostly repeats. But hopefully for the hits like the UR card or even the SP card wouldn't have a double. And I haven't really even gotten a SP card for this set, but hopefully I could. And I really would like to complete the UR set of this card box. Although it's kind of harder to get this Dressrosa card box already, but hopefully I could complete at least the UR card since it's really beautiful. And we do have the LR card, and the LR cards are really beautiful and really good. And this one is so adorable with the little pirates. And of course, like, thankfully the LR card this time is not a double. Like, this would be my second LR card. Looks like every card box you do get a LR guaranteed hit. And since it is a really beautiful card, let me sleeve this one first. And here are the first One Piece card box that I have open. And this one is the One Piece Skypiea card box. And it's a really nice card box. Especially the artworks are very old school, and you would be reminded of the first season of the anime, second season of the anime, like the first artworks, like, and even the here we do have the SSR of Sanji. And like I have opened two boxes of these. Like most of my videos have random uploading, like it's not set what I would upload first, but mostly like I would upload things more on One Piece, then I would upload more One Piece. If I upload more on Naruto, I would upload more on that. Or sometimes I would randomize things. And here we do have a rare of Eddie, a rare of Pagaya, and we do have Luffy and Sarkis, and the SR of Shura. And since this is a 1U1 card pack, you would get mostly the rare cards, then one hit. Plus, this is the card box that doesn't have a CR card yet. It mostly consists of the rare SR, SSR, NH card, and the other hits. And here's for the next pack. We do have a rare of Pagaya, a rare of Aisa, Shoujo, and we have Mashira, and this set is actually pretty easy to complete. And at first I thought it was not completed because of the numbering, but since this is the second edition, like there's a first edition box that came first before this one, and that one is much rarer to get, and that one starts by the number 1. This one is the continuing number after that box. So if you categorize them, that you would notice that you already completed the set, but you're thinking that there might be more, but there's actually none. And here we do have the SSR of Sorrow. And let me leave, or later, I'll just leave them up off camera. Let's open the other card pack first. And we do have Robin, Naomi, Lily, and we do have Chopper and SR of Satori. And for the next pack, we do have, for the first card, we do have a rare of Isa, and we do have Shoujo, and we do have Sharky's Nico Robin, and we do have the SR of Eneru. And that's it for this card pack, and we'll be moving on for the next one. And this one, we do have a rare of Hina, we have Daruma, Monet, and we have the SR of Yamato. Very pretty. Let me take a closer look. And here we do have the next pack. And mostly I do sleeve most of the hits. Like even if it's an SR card, I do sleeve them. It's just my own preference. And here we do have a CR card for this set. And we do have the SR card. And for the next one, and also for the later boxes, like for this one, only if you do get a lot of boxes, you would get a lot of doubles. But opening like one or two boxes, you actually don't get a lot of doubles. It actually really depends on which box, or if it's on the same box did or set they did get. And here we do have a rare and SR of Kawamatsu. And like that, we just have a double of the SR card already. And we have a rare of number 3. We have Dory, Koala, and we have the SR of Sorrow. And here's the closer look of the card. And also, if you haven't opened this, or if you have opened this card box, like for the rare cards and CR cards, the card quality would be really different than the hits. Like the SR card and above would have a thicker card quality, and we have a wanted card of Alvida. And this is one of the things that are fun to collect, which is the wanted cards. And depending on which box you get, like if it's a 1U1 card box, you would most likely get the wanted cards of the other characters. When you get a 2U1 card box, you would likely get the wanted cards of the Straw Hats Pirate. And here we have Kobe, Helmepo, we have Dory, and a UR of Kid. Like that's a really nice UR card. So far for the URs, like I haven't really gotten a double, thankfully. And for each box, I think you do get one UR card per box. And here's our next pack. And we have two packs left before we end for this series and move on to the next one. We have the CR card. We have Buggy. We have the CR card of Chopper and Sanji. We have a SR card of Osoba Mask. And for the next one, or our last pack for this card pack, hopefully we do get something. Besides the wanted card and the UR card, here we have Law, we have a CR card, and we have a rare of Sengoku. Oh, and we have a SER card. Like, I didn't think that we would have gotten this card, but yes, we do have a SER card, and that's a cool looking SER card. And let me sleeve this one first. I thought we would not get any hits anymore, but we did. Oh, there's another pack, but that's one for the shorts video. And here's the next ones. This is a newer set, and this one is a one card pack as well. And let me open this card pack and see we have a rare of Chopper CR card, and we do have a rare of Brook and a SSR of Nico Robin. And here's a closer look. And for the next pack, we do have a CR card of a fake Robin and Chopper, and we have a rare of Hachi, Brook, and we do have the SR card of Perona. And here's a closer look of the SR card. Even the SR cards are really good quality card already. And here we do have the rare of Frankie, rare of Nico Robin, and we have Fukuboshi, and we have the SR card of Katakori, and it's a really nice card, especially if you do put them on the binder. But currently, my binder doesn't have any space already. It's already full, and I needed to get a new one already. And here we have the CR card, and we have the SR, and here's a closer look. And how many do we have left? We have five more packs for this one. And also, like, for these newer sets, like, I don't know what to expect, what to get, or what hits I would get, since it's a newer set and we do have a wanted card. And yes, you do still get a wanted card on the newer sets. And here's the back side. Let me sleeve the wanted card first, then we'll move on to the next pack. We have Fukuboshi, we have Hachi, and we do have the CR card, SR of Luffy. That's a really nice looking SR card. And for the next pack, we do have a CR card of Perona, and we have a rare of Frankie, a rare of Usopp, and we have the SSR card. And for the next pack, so far we haven't really gotten any higher hits more than the wanted card. I wonder if we could also get a UR card on this set. And we have the SR card of Chopper. And here's a closer look. And also the details on the back, like the texture is different from the other cards as well. And here is our next one. We do have a rare of Usta's Kid. We have Nami. And we have a CR card of Luffy and Zoro. And another wanted card. We have King. And that's one of the wanted cards that I don't have yet. So I'm happy to pull one again. And for the next one, we do have the 2 Yuan card packs. And we'll be opening another 9 packs for this one. And here's the details on the back. And let's see what card we would get first. And we do have a rare of Kid, CR card of Chopper and Sanji. We have a rare of Shiryu, Sasaki, and we have SR of Yamato. As you can see, since this is a 2-1 card pack, you would get like 2 SR or S guaranteed SR and another hit. On the 1-1 card pack, you would only get 1 hit. And here we have Shiryu, Brook, and we have Nico Robin and SR of Nami. And here's a closer look for the SR card. And oh my, like I didn't expect to get the SCR of Luffy, but I'm glad that we have this SCR card. Like the SCR card are not the highest rarity that you could pull for the box, I believe. So if I remember right, reading the backside of the box for this, and but still the SCR is really nice, especially that I pulled Luffy. Hopefully next time I would pull Nami and the other Straw Hats Pirate. I already got the SCR of Usopp if I also do remember correctly. And here's struggling opening some card packs. And here we have Yamato, CR card of Shanks, and a rare of Taco, SR card. And we do have SR card of Kyoshiro. And for the next pack, I wonder what we could get. It looks like Perona. And we do have a rare of Perona and CR card. We have a rare of Marshall the Teach. And we have a wanted card of Luffy and the SR card of Drake. But wow, my first watered card of Luffy. Thankfully, we have pulled the wanted card of Luffy. Hopefully, we also do get the other members that I haven't pulled yet. And here we have 4 packs left. And there's still about 15 minutes on this video left before we end this video. And here we have something on that card pack that I decided to put it aside first. And let's see first the other cards. And I wonder what our first card would be. And that would be a rare card, a CR card. Then we have a rare of Kanjuro and a wanted card of Usopp. And it's a really nice card of the god Usopp. And here we do have a SR card of Marco. And let me sleeve this wanted card first. Like, I really do love the wanted cards. And here we do have another pack to open. And later on, like, I would do a no talk at the end of the video on the later part. Like, it would be more of a ASMR type video. And here we have a SSR card. Like, that's a very nice SSR card. And here's for our next pack. We do have a rare card of Chopper, Okiku, and we have the CR card and SR card of Who's Who, SR card of Robin. And let's see this one that I have put aside. We have Usopp, a rare card of Devon, and we have the SR card of Sorrow and the SSR card. And for this one, we have a CR card, a rare of Hihimaru, CR card, and we have SR card of Usopp. And we do have a SER of Chopper. Like, I did not expect that we would get a SER, another SER card, but we did. And this time it is Chopper. And for the next few minutes, like it would be ASMR. So I'll stop talking right now. We are done on the ASMR part. Now we're back on the voice. And here we have the Japanese card game One Piece, the 25th anniversary. And let's see what we could get. And we do have Mad Treasure. We have All Hunt Grunt. We have Usopp. We have Chopper. And we have Kame. And we have a rare of Usopp. Like, this card is really nice as well, even though it's a rare card. And for the last pack that we do have for this one, hopefully we do get something higher than the rare card. And here we have Usopp. We have the Gum Gum Giant Pistol. We have Magellan. We have the Germa 66 event card. We have Chopper. And we have a rare card of Luffy, but definitely a nice card. And here's the bottom side, the full view. And let's move on to the recap. These are most of the boxes that I have opened today, or all the boxes that I have opened today. And these are the recap video photo or image. Like, since it's easier to visualize when they are on photo. And also, I did not include all the rarities because that would take a very long time. So I only took the SR and above. Like, even the some of the CR cards I did include, and the highest hit that I have got. But this would be a mixture of all the packs already. And hopefully you enjoyed my video.